So I got my Givi windscreen ready to mount. Wanted to go through the real quick steps of installing it. Comes with a universal kit. Here it is, ready to go on. These are the two bolts that will be attached to the mounting bracket, which is part of the turn singles. You take the headlight out and loosen up the turn singles, slide the brackets in place, and give you a video of that. And then you're ready to put the fairing on. It's already been on. I've been riding it for a while and it's working really well. I just wanted to do some cleanup and check things out. I did add some rubber on the inside. Didn't have that before. So here's the washer and nylon lock nut I'm going to use on both sides. And basically you're just sliding it in place. This bolt needs to be out a little bit. This one goes on pretty easily. And this one is a little bit of a push. Bolt needs to be out a little bit. This one goes on pretty easily. And this one is a little bit of a push. Make sure that my rubber is still there. It is. Alright, both screws are in, ready to tighten down. You can see it fits pretty snug even without tightening it down. And that's it.